omnipotens Deus.
In his first peace message as pontiff, Pope Francis says huge salaries and bonuses are symptoms of an economy based on greed. His message for the Roman Catholic Church's World Day of Peace on January the 1st also called for a narrowing of the gap between rich and poor. The Pope's message will be sent to national leaders and international organizations like the UN and NGOs. It also attacked injustice, human trafficking, organized crime, and the weapons trade. Philip Pulela is Reuters Vatican correspondent.
We see that the Pope is not letting up, and he's continuing to bang the drum about inequality and how the advanced world has to help the developing world, and that poverty, hunger, and homelessness are an absolute scandal.
His peace message came on the same day a European watchdog said the Vatican has made significant progress in financial reforms, but without stronger controls, still risks being used for money laundering. After decades of scandal, Pope Francis has made cleaning up the Vatican's finances a top priority.